Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I cannot support him. Words from the woman whose son is accused of raping and killing a 9-year-old girl in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. There was pain and devastation in the community of Joblin, where the gruesome act was committed on Friday. Ramarda Lyons has this Primetime News follow-up.
A double heartbreak on Mother's Day, both for the mother of 9-year-old Kelsey Ferrigan, who was raped, murdered and placed in this barrel, and the mother of 39-year-old Giovanni Ellis, the person of interest in Kelsey's murder. The suspect's mother knew Kelsey very well. She is saddened by the girl's tragic death.
It just ripped me up inside because a little girl is like a daughter to me. When them come here, I was there for them. Them come here, me cook, everybody eat and drink.
The Area 5 police said Mr. Ellis was recently released on bail for an assault case involving a child, and back in 2013, he was arrested and charged for the sexual assault of a female relative.
I don't know who bailed him, but me know it's not me. All he beg him, me say no, me not have no money for bail you, and me not bail you. When he get locked up, me deny, me turn my back, everybody cuss me, say me wicked and me this and me that, but me never mind the cussing and what the people want to say about me when me do that, because me have enough of him.
She last saw him Friday morning before the incident. Up to that time, she was still giving him the cold shoulder.
I run him and me say, you enough you come here, so you're banned from this yard. Right? No family member, yes, I don't want to see you. See the lady over there, so as a proof, she was here with me. Right? And when he turned away, I don't know which direction he turned.
The woman says she does not know his whereabouts and also dispelled rumors that she's protecting him.
False accusation that is about me. I don't have nothing to do with him. I have grandchildren at that age, younger and fair age. Right? So how me then condone that? What kind of mother would I be?
Meanwhile, children's advocate Diane Gordon Harrison urged lawmakers to review sections of the Sexual Offences Act. She suggested a mechanism to alert people about the presence of a sex offender in their communities.
If you see, for example, where a sex offender who is so registered is living in a particular area, that there needs to be some kind of alert, not to John public, but certainly to the leadership of the community. I don't know how we would do that, whether it would be through the Citizens Association or some other responsible, measured authority. So we're not encouraging jungle justice. But, it really is something that I think requires a second look.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.